Tonight, though, I want to share a personal story with you, and it just to show you that it can happen in your own backyard. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tomorrow will mark 7 years since I lost my son from a tractor-trailer accident. My son was married and had two very young daughters. The youngest was a year and a half old. My daughter-in-law, she chose to stay home and raise her girls using my son's Social Security benefits and applying for Connecticut Husky insurance program. Because her income was $1,000 over the income threshold, my daughter-in-law was not entitled to any health care insurance for herself. 5 years went by when I noticed that the girls, my granddaughters, had not seen a dentist. I asked my daughter-in-law if the girls had seen a dentist recently, and she stated she couldn't find one. I decided to take a day off from work to see if I could locate one. I found out quickly that because the Husky program had not been funded adequately, there were no dentists that were willing to take them. I panicked. I called my friend and dentist at the Canton Valley Dental Group and left him a message about my situation. He returned my call and stated that he would be willing to see my daughter-in-law and grandchildren, and that he would be willing to perform x-rays, fillings, and cleaning for all three. January 2007 was when I brought them to get checked. After checking all three with the dentist brought me in his office, and he told me, as a friend, that we had a serious problem on our hands, and that if my daughter-in-law did not get some procedures done in the very near future, I might be losing her also. In addition to the initial procedures, this dentist chose to take 1/3 off all the additional work that my daughter-in-law needed. Today, my daughter-in-law is healthy and smiling. This should not happen to our families. This should not be happening to our citizens of the city of Bristol. This should not be happening to our citizens in the state of Connecticut, and by far it should not be happening to citizens in this country.